Check out this 2009 BMW 3 Series. 3-spoke leather-wrapped tilt telescopic multi-function sports steering wheel Inc. Audio controls, 4-passenger seating, 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, ABS, with dynamic brake control, DPC, adaptive brake lights, all-position 3-point safety belts Inc. Front pretensioners ALR in all passenger positions, automatic TRI zone climate control Inc. Auto air recirculation windshield misting sensor heat at rest recall of individual user settings microfilter, auxiliary PWR outlet, BMW ambience lighting, child safety rear door locks, chrome kidney-shaped grille with chrome vertical slats. The special internet price is $33,888. Contact the dealership today at 866-392-7722.